Day 2 at the beach was all about one thing: chasing the ball. Kumo and Sora's absolute favorite activity. They could do it for hours. So we did. After running like crazy, they took a well-deserved nap. And of course, no beach day is complete without ice cream and spying. And of course, begging. Quick second nap and we're back. We must be really exhausted because we've become really bad at this. But it's okay, we are living our best life. One last run. We can head back to recharge for day 3.